everyone. I hope you're having an absolutely phenomenal day so far. I just wanted to go ahead and loop in because we have a couple updates that we wanted to share. Fred and I will be back in the office as of Monday, so we wanted to go ahead and share that news with you. As you may know, the Safer at Home order has been extended through August, and yet we are part of that phase 2 rollout. So we're going to be beginning to start that process of transitioning back in. There's going to be just a couple updates that I wanted to write for you. One, we're here truly to support your health, your safety, and also the growth and productivity that you experience in your business. And so that's really important to us, that you have a work environment that's available for you so that you can move forward with your business and continue to take advantage of the markets of the moment that are available right now and the opportunity that exists out there right now. And so we're going to continue to cover that. A couple things. The regular training that we do is not going away. It's still going to be available for you via Zoom, because we want to make sure that we're keeping your health at the forefront. We know some of you may not feel safe coming in just yet, or you're kind of extending your own stay at home because you're in an at-risk category. We will have full training available for you via Zoom, so this is not going away. And then in addition to that, in addition to like our regular cleaning protocol, we also we have cleaning going on once a day in the office. We're gonna have additional sanitization of high traffic areas. And so there's just different things that we're putting in place to really keep you as protected as possible. Now, LA County does require that we post our work site specific plan of action to keep you safe from COVID. So you'll see those notices. There's going to be certain things that have to be posted in the office. So we will have that up for you as well. We will be emailing it to you so that you have that as well. And that way, if there's any questions, you can just let us know. We are also required to have an acknowledgement that you understand the worksite specific plan that we have in place. And so we're going to be sending that out for you guys as well. That's going to be sent via email. You're more than welcome to wet signature. We just need that acknowledgement. Or we're also going to send it via DocuSign if you see that email. And that's so that we can really just make sure that you guys are aware of the protocol that we have in place and that we're providing that for your safety. So don't get worried about all the jargon that's in it. It's pretty detailed, and it's just because it's required to be, and also because we want to make sure that we're following and that all the different protocol that we're putting in place to keep you safe, the additional training that we as a staff are undergoing so that we can keep your safety and health at the forefront. And of course, we will have that continued focus on our training, on our education, so that we can keep you ahead of the curve when it comes to not only the virus, but when it comes to the changes that are happening in the real estate industry right now. So definitely, for those of you, it was great to see you for Red Day. I look forward to seeing those of you that are ready to kind of start coming back in office. And we do have to have that acknowledgement in place when you are in. And there'll just be little things that we're doing for safety, like wearing our face covers, right, in common areas, and just really being courteous of each other, keeping our 6 feet of distance, social distancing, right? But we are truly here to support you in whatever it is that you might need. We're super excited to see you guys again. We've missed you, and we're gonna continue working hard to help you to continue to grow your business. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, feel free to reach out to myself. I'll make sure to post my information as well. And then you're more than welcome to also reach out to Fred, who will be in the office as well, or Rich, and we will see you guys soon. Have an absolutely amazing rest of your day. Bye, guys.